What if you could stop waiting for your machine to catch up and finally match the speed of your ambition? Every second lost to rendering is a thief stealing your potential. You were born to create, not to watch a loading bar. True power is not just about specs, it is about absolute freedom. Imagine a workstation that handles the heaviest AI models and complex 3D renders in real time, without breaking a sweat. No compromises, no excuses. It is time to stop settling for good enough and start operating at the elite level. Meet the Adamant Custom 64-core workstation. Powered by the 64-core AMD Threadripper PRO 9980B and the NVIDIA RTX 6000 Blackwell 96GB GPU. This is an extension of your mind. With 512 GB of RAM and 16 TB of storage, you have the ultimate foundation for your legacy. Own the future. Upgrade today. For product inquiries, please check the blue link at the top of our channel homepage or refer to the pinned comment below.